Hello everyone, my name is Toby Araimi, CEO of Wealth Nation, and I cannot believe that a business that began over 2 years ago now in Woolwich, Arsenal is where it is today. I'm sitting right now in Wealth Nation University, which is our own school for traders and business builders. And fast forward today, we have over 1,000 CEOs and traders all over the world who have learned to successfully trade and build business from the comfort of their own mobile phone. We are now launching in the new phase of our business. Exciting developments are coming through. It is rumored that Wealth Nation is beginning our own bank, our own cryptocurrency space, but also we are advancing our process to train traders and business builders all over the world. We're sharing with you top secrets about how we trade. Also, we're going to be showing you how we advance business all over the world and how many of those who work with us have been able to build 5- and 6-figure incomes in a very short period of time. This is Wealth Nation, the place where nomads, big believers and dreamers who have not found a system that works for them to be able to propel them into their financial future can come to be. This is a place where we all come together, learn how to build, learn how to trade, and learn how to invest. I hope you join me. Click the link and make sure you register. It's free.